Welcome back, everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fully protect your website with Cloudflare's free web application firewall, or WAF in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll have strong, always-on security against some of the most dangerous attacks out there without paying a cent. We're talking peace of mind from threats like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and more. So let's jump right in and get your site armored up. First up, you need to make sure all your website traffic is actually passing through Cloudflare for its security features to do their job. Think of Cloudflare like a shield. If traffic doesn't go through the shield, it can't protect you. So log in to your Cloudflare dashboard and head over to the DNS section under Records. Here's what you're looking for. Check your website SA and CNAME records and look at the proxy status. If you see that orange cloud icon and it says proxied, you're all set, your traffic is protected. But if it's a gray cloud labeled DNS only, that means your site's visitors are bypassing Cloudflare completely. And none of the security rules will keep attackers out. Just click the cloud to turn it orange and switch to proxied. That simple setting is what puts your site behind Cloudflare's firewall. Once that's done, let's confirm your WAF managed rule set is actually running. The good news, as of 2026, every new free Cloudflare site gets Cloudflare's free managed rule set deployed by default. This is a big deal, because it means you're instantly protected from a huge range of common vulnerabilities. Right out of the box, to double-check, go to the Security area, then choose WAF, and click on the Managed Rules tab. You should see Cloudflare Free Managed Rule Set as active. If it's turned off for some reason, go ahead and activate it. Sometimes features can be toggled accidentally. That managed rule set is constantly updated by Cloudflare's security team, so you're covered even as new threats emerge. Think of it like automatic virus definitions for your website. Now let's talk about custom rules, because sometimes you want a bit more control. Cloudflare's free plan lets you create up to 5 custom rules. This is your opportunity to block countries, limit access to sensitive admin pages, or deal with specific issues you might be facing. Under WAF again, click on Custom Rules. For example, say your audience is only in the US, but you're getting a ton of bogus traffic from elsewhere. You can set field to country, operator to equals. Then pick the country you want to block and set the action to block. Or maybe you want to make your admin area, like /wp-admin or admin, extra secure. Create a rule where the URI path contains admin. And set the action to manage challenge. Now, only legitimate users can get through. These custom rules give you a lot of power to tailor your defenses, even on the free plan. Next, we'll turn the knobs up on bot and DDoS protections. Even with Cloudflare's free tools, you have some seriously effective shields. Start by heading to Security and into Settings. You'll see a security level drop-down. Set this to medium for balanced protection. But if you ever find yourself under heavy attack, like your site suddenly gets flooded with weird requests, just flip it to I'm under attack. This temporarily forces every visitor to clear an extra verification step, which blocks most automated attacks cold. Don't worry if you don't need this right now, but it's great to know it's there during emergencies. Finally, let's tackle bots. Under Security and then Bots, you'll find Bot Fight Mode. Go ahead and enable it. This feature is especially handy because it actively challenges headless browsers and basic bots, the kinds that scrape content or brute force passwords. It's like having a bouncer who automatically turns away obvious troublemakers at the door, so you don't have to. That's it. By following these steps, your site gets comprehensive, always-on protection on the free plan. If you found this helpful, tap the like button. Let me know your questions in the comments below. And subscribe for more straightforward website tutorials. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.